When you keep dreaming of the same person repeatedly, you can feel quite frustrated and not understand why this is happening. The thing is that it's always happening for a reason. And until you consciously make the realization within you that you need to make in order for this to stop, it will keep happening. It's not something that just stops on its own. It's after you let go of the thought or the belief system or the thought pattern that this does stop. Now, it's usually one of two things that could be happening, and I'm going to explain exactly what these are. My name's Aliki, and I'm a spiritual coach. Thank you so much for being here. Now, when it is that you keep dreaming of someone, know that this is coming from your subconscious. It's rarely that it's happening because they're thinking of you. Usually when someone's thinking about us, we feel it in our waking hours. We wake up from it, from the energy, from their thoughts. It causes us to feel them during the day. In your sleep, when you keep dreaming of the same person, this is coming forward from within you. It's something that you need to see and you need to look at when you're awake. Look at the energy of your dream. See what it is that this person represents for you, because once you realize what it is they represent, then you can see how it is that you within you have connected with this energy, with who they are, with what it is they mean to you, what it is they bring up within you as a thought, as a belief, as an experience that you had perhaps in the past. It doesn't necessarily have to be something that you experienced with them, but what do they make you think of? What do they make you remember, let's say? When you realize this, look at it. See what it is showing you. See what it means to you. And look at what it is that you can let go of, what you can release, and move into the new belief, the new thought, the new energy. It's only when you let go and move into the new that you will stop seeing them in your dream. That's the first reason that you would dream about someone again and again. The second is that you have moved into a cycle. Perhaps it's been going on for quite a long time, and you just keep moving in that energy. You allow it to keep repeating. It's something new, and it could have been going on for months or even years, and you just haven't consciously found the way to move out of it, or you aren't aware of it, that you're in it. And the way that your subconscious lets you know is by making things repeat. And one of these things that could be repeating is you seeing the same person in your dream. And it's your subconscious way of catching your attention, of saying that, hey, realize this, realize that something's wrong. You're stuck in this pattern, you're stuck in this cycle, let it go. And only when you realize that there's something I need to see, there's something I need to do, will you take the time to sit in peace and look within. Look at what you've been experiencing. Look at your beliefs. Look at your thoughts. You could do this perhaps with help, with a therapist, with someone, a coach, someone that will help you see what it is you need to see what it is you've moved into that you've been allowing to repeat. And you need to consciously become aware of it, consciously make the realization so that you can let go of what you need to let go of and move into the new. Set yourself free. Especially the fact that you keep seeing the same person again and again, if it's causing you to feel frustrated, anxious, and just confused, then it's a very clear indicator that your subconscious wants you to feel frustrated, wants you to feel anxiety, and not as a way to torture you and to say, hey, look what I can make you do. You keep dreaming of the same person. No, but for you to make the realization that this is what I meant. This is the energy I've connected to. This is what I need to see. And when you feel the discomfort, feel that heavy energy, then you can choose to look at it. You can choose to let go of it and move into the new. It's not enough to just let go. Move into that new energy, that higher frequency, higher vibrational energy. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And thank you so much for being here.